In this video I'm going to show you how to go about finding a crime type in a particular street in the borough. So on the blog you go to either the crime stats map or the crime stats, Bexley crime stats. I'm on this one, so we'll scroll down to this. These are all the maps. If there's a link there, there's a map for that month, but the latest one is January 2025, so we'll click on that one, and then all the borough wards come up with the January crime stats. As you can see, you can move the cursor in and out using your mouse to make it bigger, or hold it and drag and drop to scroll it around. And then underneath that is the crime type stats from the Met website. The color coded pins are shown. For vehicle crime is green, so if you click on that one, it comes up as an example near the location and the type. But we want to find out how to go about looking for a particular one in your street. Say for example St. Mary's, you type that in, road, and then you can see it comes up with a list of street names. You want the one in Bexley. Ignore the Google ones, which will just show you on the Google map, but we are looking at this map, so we want to move map to this road because you've searched for it, and then you'll get that street by clicking on it, and the pin's already color coded. You can again move the map around, but we'll do it from here, and you can see that is criminal damage and arson at location St. Mary's Road. Again we go back, and if you want to look for a different street, you saw that I'm clicking on that magnifying glass there icon, and there's two Montrose Avenue, so obviously if you type in Montrose Avenue, I did a search earlier, Montrose Avenue, there's one in Sidcup. If you click on the move map to Sidcup, and there is a pin already, but we'll click on that one, and you can see that green one is the pin for vehicle crime. Either click on this or this one, so we'll click on this one, and you'll see it's vehicle crime and on or near Montrose Avenue in Sidcup. So that's how you do it. But if you want one in Welling to see what crimes there are, you type in Welling, it comes up, move map to, you get the idea, and there's Welling, Montrose Avenue there, and there's only these ones. So for example this one is antisocial behavior, and that's other crime, this is other crime, this is vehicle and sexual offences and Sunbridge Avenue, and so on and so forth. So hope that video helps you out, and bye for now.